So on the list, we saw that put the snowblower on the tractor was one of the tasks I was going to try to get done today. We use the BX 2822 commercial front mount snowblower for our BX tractor. It's a heavy duty model. I did do a review on it last spring. I'll link that up here. But that snowblower uses the K-Connect front hitch system for the tractor. There's only a few things you need to do to get the quick hitch installed on the front of the tractor. It's pretty easy. But the first thing you're going to want to do is take your mid-mount mower off if you have one, and take the bucket off the front end of your tractor. Obviously, the bucket is not going to work with the snowblower on the front, and the reason we need to take the belly mower off the tractor is so that you can run the mid-mount PTO shaft from the quick hitch up front back to your mid-mount PTO. There's not many parts to the system. There are a few brackets that your dealer is going to have to mount to the tractor when they know you're getting the quick hitch system. If you don't have a dealer that's going to install these for you, they're actually pretty straightforward. You can see there's just a few bolts in there. It takes about 10-15 minutes. But if you're ordering the tractor with a quick hitch, your dealer should install those for you along with the corkscrews for your hydraulic lines. The other parts you're going to need are your mid-mount PTO shaft, which is going to connect your mid-mount PTO to the K-Connect system. The K-Connect hitch itself with its hydraulic lines, and it uses something similar to a Lovejoy coupler up here on the front. The pin that keeps your K-Connect system on the tractor once we put it on, and obviously your snowblower. Once that mounting hardware is installed on your tractor, mounting this thing is as simple as picking it up and slipping it on over the top. Drop it right over there, push it down to make sure things are hooked up nicely. Once you slide the quick hitch over those tabs, you're going to check that this hole is lined up, and then just slide the retaining pin all the way through. Lastly, just slide in the clip to make sure everything's held in place. You're going to want to install your hydraulic lines next. These are color coded, so yellow goes to yellow, white goes to white. Finally, you're going to have to crawl under the tractor to install the slip yoke on your PTO shaft. And once that's pushed all the way forward, you're going to come back and connect your mid-mount. Make sure you give that a good tug so you know it's on. The last thing you want is this thing coming off while you're driving the tractor around. And she's all connected now. From here, all you're going to have to do is use these pins to go pick up the snowblower. So that's a basic rundown on how to install the K-Connect quick hitch system for the front of your Kubota BX. It's pretty simple, so I didn't go too in-depth on it. Neil over at Messick's has a great video about it. I'll put a link up in the corner to that if you want to check it out. It's a little bit longer than this one's going to be. In all seriousness, it's pretty easy to put on. It's literally hanging it over the adapters in the front, putting the pins in at the bottom, connecting your mid-shaft PTO, and then just driving right into the snowblower. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I did a review on the snowblower, as I mentioned before, so definitely check that out. It's pretty cold out. I'm pretty cold. I've got a few more chores to do before the end of daylight, so I'm gonna go inside and warm up for a few, and then I'll come back out and do the rest of those chores.